play kapag mga 15, 17 points pa na.
Nitura. Domasig. Back set. De Guzman down the line. Nakaabang si Lara May Silva. Judiel.
Ooh. Nice opposite setting there by Estrelier. Alam niya na di pa nakahabol si Tira-Tira dito eh. Hindi rin nakapwesto ng maayos si Tira-Tira for blocking.
And that's Judy. Oh. Laika pushing the ball to the Letran side. Here's Gia again. This time, Gia trying to go for a check. Sarado. Puntos na naman para sa Letran.
Great timing by Nitura. And De La Cruz there. Saradong-sarado yung down the line block.
Para sa mga Letranista. Domasig. De Guzman. Domasig. Tudlasan back row.
Powerful hit by Laika Tudlasan. You see, Anton, sasabihin ko pa lang sana, medyo nahihirapan sila sa atake sa harap, pero nahanap agad ni Domasig si Laika Tudlasan sa likod.
And the sportsmanship, of course, Laika.
Yes.
And Vanessa. Sari. Domasig. Tudlasan gets roofed by Gia Makilang. My goodness.
Ang ganda ng basa ni Gia sa combination play dito. Alam mo yung timing ni Gia na kahit hindi naman siya ganun katangkaran, maabot at maabot niya sa loob na yung bola eh.
Somebody once told me, volleyball player blocking is all about timing.
Oh, yes.
Mangubat running attack.
Great connection by Mangubat. And Domasig here. Alam mo, tingin ko kung doon lang sa porsyento, kumbaga, si Mangubat.
Grabe tong si Domasig. Parang sanay na sanay maglaro sa Final Four. Balik ang bola sa Letran side. Makilang with the push. De Guzman pops it up. Domasig binigay kay Hart. Drop ball. Estrelier papalo. Check out.
That's outside. Great connection there na kahit yung mga setters nila, kayang umatake. Iba na talaga yung breed ng mga players ngayon.
Pinupuri natin si Domasig, sabi ni Estrelier. Eh, paano ako?
Kaya mo rin pumalo.
Domasig gets the ball in the air, back row spike. Gia.
Oh.
Gia Makilang has come to play.
Medyo hindi kasi nagiging effective yung mga drop balls ni Gia kanina. So ngayon, may kakaunting space sa down the line. Kaya nakita niya yun. Doon yun.
Estrelier, back set to Judiel.
Oh. Inside. Nice. Nice attack by Judiel. Let's see this replay.
Her sister, Shaina, is set to take off with the national team, but Judiel, deposit hitter. Their names are among the applicants and draftees. Si Judiel, steady lang, no?
Yeah.
Kalmado lang.
She's just very chill. Taas mo yung bola, ako bahala dito. Kita mo sa face niya eh. Hindi nga ito yung parang usual niya na galawan.
Feeling ko sobrang excited nga. Yun yung sabi ni Coach Oliver. Excited.
Meanwhile, si Judel naman, excited rin naman siya, pero nakikita mo na, composed.
7 points already, Mika, for Judiel.
Arellano University.
Yung bola, napaka-simple. Bakit hindi natin na...
At medyo nawawala nga siguro siya sa rhythm. Baka hinahanap niya pa rin until now.
I think a meditation in between sets will get Vanessa Sari right. That's a practice na ginagawa.
It can help for sure, yes.
ng Letran Lady Knights. Because right now, Vanessa still looking a little bit stiff.
Oh!
Whereas Laika Tudlasan is now warmed up.
Wow. Kailangan mo ng puntos? Bigay natin kay Laika Tudlasan.
And again, what a setting masterclass by the rookie, Catherine Domasig.
And of course, yung coverage sila. Let's give credits also to our defense sa likod.
Dalawa yung libero sa likod. You have Ceballos and Kagikla.
Oh, yeah.
Two beach volleyball players. Oh, wow, Laika. Oh, there you go. Hello. Ayan na. Isang mahigpit na yakap para kay Vanessa Sari. Maybe that's what she needs, Mika Reyes.
I know. Kailangan niya yung mga ganun. Kasi ang bilis rin talaga ng reflex niya dito eh. Kailangan niya yung mga ganyang mga confidence booster.
Sabi ni Gia, welcome back, Dai.
Pero nandiyan pa rin si Laika. Hindi tayo pwede maging kumpiyansa na mabilis lang itong matatapos.
Ito rin yung sinasabi natin about Laika.
Yes.
Na pag hampasa na.
Yeah. Hindi mo makikita yung hesitation niya dito eh.
And she wants it.
Yeah.
You can see yung determination sa mga mata ni Laika Tudlasan.
May, what do you call it? Killer instinct.
Oo. Interesting, ha? Two setters on the floor, Mika. You have Adante and Domasig for Arellano. Sari!
Oh!
Eto na ang tunay! Eto na ang tunay! Vanessa Sari! Nagising na!
Gusto ni Sari yung mga gatong score eh. Kailangan, mga gato ako gagalaw. Sa mga gatong panahon ako gagalaw.
Look at the form.
Yeah, kanina hindi niya yung ginagawa eh. Ngayon, full approach na siya eh. Narinig ko nga kanina sa timeout, ni-remind siya ni Silva na mag-full approach ka, kompletuhin mo.
Babawi ba si Laika?
Oh! Yes daw, Anton. Yes, Anton, babawi ako.
This is Final Four Volleyball.
I know.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. The stars have come out to play.
But Anton, nasa likod na si Laika ngayon.
Pati si Vanessa.
Sari's in front again.
Oh, that was so close. Eto na, watch out for Sari. No! Judiel!
Oh!
Judiel Nitura.
Everybody was expecting Vanessa Sari dahil umatras na si Vanessa para makabuelo. But the only person on the floor who knows where the ball is gonna go is the setter. Nat Estrelier giving it to Judiel Nitura. May kontrapelo eh.
Yes.
They split the elimination round. Arellano ang una nakatalo sa Letran. They almost beat Letran in the second round. And Judiel Nitura continues to cook.
Favorite talaga ni Judiel yung angle na yon, no? Kanina pa rin ako naghahanap ng adjustment from the lady. Oh! Powerful attack by Vanessa Sari. Ito na yung sinasabi nila na full approach niya. Pero parang medyo mababa pa nga yung contact niya sa bola eh. May iaangat pa doon, may itataas pa.
Two-handed power tip. A warm hug from Gia Makilang. And meditation in between sets doing wonders for Sari. But Padillon now starting to come alive.
Baka si Moming nag-meditation din after ng first set.
Estrelier to Sari. Pag ganyan na si Vanessa, mahirap na siya pigilan.
Yes, yes, I know. Andiyan na yung variations ng attacks niya eh. May cross-court na, may down the line na. Pero alam mo, Anton, since hindi nga masyado.
Laika. Oh, wow.
Single block by Nat Estrelier. Medyo pasok na rin kasi yung set dito for Laika. And ready si Nat for the block.
It's a 7-point lead for Letran. Tudlasan. Sari. Oh, tira with the block.
Ito yung kailangan ng Arellano this time. Yung steady blocking sila, especially now. Na nasa harap si Sari. Pero, Tira-Tira's gonna serve now and kailangan si Mangubat na
Domasig to Magaling. Coach Obet trying to find the spark. Domasig with a point.
alam ni Domasig na medyo nahihirapan yung kanyang intensity na binibigay ni Silva dito na kahit after ng error na, tara, kuha tayo ng first ball. Yung nagre-remind siya sa kanyang mga teammates na okay lang mag-error but kailangan makabawi agad.
Yep, Lara May Silva, she is the heart and soul of the Letran Lady Knights.
Hindi sabi ko, inaayawan nyo yun.
At yung Letran naman, maski lamang sila, may Lara May Silva na sumisigaw at nagre-remind sa likod. So the intensity is always there and the power of Vanessa Sari is ever present.
Yes. Kukuha sila ng magandang first ball, magandang isa-set ni Estrelier at nandyan si Sari para sa kanyang powerful attack.
Grabe. 10-point lead for Letran. And Nitura again with another simple play.
Actually, sayang yung nakuha ni Tira-Tira na dalawang blockers dito sa harap. Kitang-kita natin, walang sumabay na, kumbaga, isa lang yung sumabay sa outside spiker. Sinitura lang, pero kumbaga napayungan niya eh.
Bakit di natin makuha?
Pwede kaya sagutin, Coach, hindi ganun kasimple. Joke lang, bawal yan.
Sari.
Oh!
Cross court.
Vanessa
Sari took advantage of that one.
Ang hirap, no?
Yes.
Kung ikaw ang Arellano, may Judiel, tapos may Vanessa sa kabila. Isar is in. Domasig. Tudlasan. Makilang. Domasig to Mangubat. Judiel. Domasig to Tudlasan. Wala pa rin. Di mapatay. Estrelier. Setter ang tumapos.
Nahihirapan ng Lady Chiefs na makakuha ng attack points dito. Especially for Laika. Kanina pa siya na-check ng blockers ng Letran. And kailangan nilang mag-game na kayang pumuntos dito ni Estrelier.
Padillon.
Good set by Domasig there for Moming. Padillon.
Kailangan, Mika, magsabay na good set si Laika tsaka si Moming.
Yes, actually.
Estrelier. Makilang. Domasig.
Oh!
Back-to-back points.
Laika got that point.
Domasig. Makilang.
Great save by Gia.
Back row. Moming was there. Domasig ibibigay kay Laika. Oh, Domasig.
Sayang. Magandang intention yun actually na kapag hindi nakapuntos yung attacker niya, bigla ka mag-drop ball but Gia was there.
Grabe yung mga mata ni Gia Makilang because she was ready also na isiset ni Catherine kay Sam.
Yes, yes.
That's a steady first ball.
And a steady block by Pao de Guzman.
Arellano with a 2-point lead.
Wow.
Serving third.
De La Cruz. Poor first ball by Arellano. Isar. One more time, tira-tira was there. Judiel breaks down the wall.
Judiel Nitura.
Another great attack by Judiel Nitura.
3 straight points by the Letran Lady Knights.
May block, oo, pero walang penetration.
Nitura
Oh!
over the blockers.
Judiel
Nakita mo,
Nitura.
Anton, yung elevation niya doon? Oh, wow!
Let's see it again.
And I think yung mag-jump serve pa rin kaya si Sari.
This season, oo eh.
Wow! She's my idol.
Talagang ibang level yung kumpiyansa. Gia. Gia. Gia.
Yes, I agree.
Started this match and she's trying to finish it.
Very composed. Until now, kahit itaas